Hi friends, in this assignment I am going to explain you MS Word Mail Merge on three examples. One is marksheet printing, second is salary slip printing, and third is address and letter printing. So here for marksheet printing I have already prepared a database here. So first is roll number, date, student names, gender, subject physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, computer science, English, total marks, percentage, grade. Grade means first class, second class, third class, distinction, and marks in words, physics, chemistry, so on, and total marks in words. This is how we need to prepare the database. So here we should save the database and close it. Already I have prepared a marksheet template here. Friends, this video is going to be very interesting. Please watch carefully and please learn the mail merge. So you just click the mail merge menu here, mailings, click and start mail merge, step by step mail merge wizard, click, and here right side corner click next, click next, and browse. Show the database, marksheet database which is being prepared. So this is the marksheet database. Click. In second sheet I have prepared the marksheet database. Click OK and OK and click next, next, complete the merge. So you just close the mail merge wizard here, and now we need to bring the student name first. So here in the mailings, insert merge field, click student name, register number, date, class obtained, gender, result date, and here maximum marks obtained. You just click here, subject physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, computer science, English, total. So next, marks obtained in words, click physics in word, English in word, and click total marks in word and percentage, and you can put here percentage symbol. This is how we have prepared the mail merge here. So in mailing preview result, you can see the students marks for clicking the arrow. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Here you can see this student Mr. Gopal Ramtirth, his register number, date, class obtained, and date. Here maximum marks obtained. Physics he has taken 61, chemistry 66, biology 56, mathematics 54, computer science 53, English 52. His total marks is 342. Marks in words, and his percentage is 57. And you can print marksheet here. Click finish and merge, click printing document, select the record numbers from, if you want from 1st to 8 you can say from 1st to 8 and OK, and select the printer here and say OK, and please save this Word file. Save. For a second example, I have prepared a salary slip database. Here month, employee ID, UAN number, name, designation, basic salary, VDA, HR, EDU, coin, total, PF, PT, health insurance, etc, and total. This is database for a salary slip. So please save this database. Close. Already prepared the salary slip template here. Company name, full address mentioned here. So here you just click mail merge. Again, step by step mail merge wizard. Next, browse and open the salary slip database. It's in third sheet. Okay, next, complete, and close the mail merge wizard here. And here mail merge menu, click insert merge field, month, employee ID, designation, name, UAN number, basic salary, VDA, HR, EDU, CON. In deduction part, click PF, click PT and health insurance. In total A, total B, and net pay in words. You have to save this Word file, and you can see next record by clicking arrow. Here also I have maintained 10 records. Again, you can print here from where to where. For example, for 1 to 5 you can print, say OK, and select printer and say OK. In first record, this is January month salary slip. Shivakumar Annavar is a manager. His employee ID, his UAN number, his basic salary, his VDA, his HRA, EDU, coin, his deduction, his PT, his health insurance, his earnings, his deduction, his net pay in words. This is how we can execute the mail merge for a salary slip. Save. This is third example on mail merge. So address and letter printing. For that, already database been prepared. So name, address, city, pin code, mobile number, due amount and date. The same, the template has been created here. So here you can bring the address here. So click mailings, start mail merge wizard, right side corner, next, browse, show the database file, click address, OK, next, and close the mail merge wizard here. So now click here and you can type here 2, enter. So here name, enter, address 1, enter, address 2, here city, just click here, city, space, pin code, enter, mobile number, enter. This you can adjust here like this. So this is how we need to show the address. And here dear Mr. Again here name, you can bold here, you can put a space here, rupees, due amount, and again here date. So now you can, clicking the arrow button, you can see the address which is changing now. Dear Mr. Srinivas Murthy MK, we would like to inform you that please pay the due amount rupees 9500 by 6/9/22. Thanks and regards. You can print the draft here from 1 to 10. Say OK and select the printer and you can say OK. Thanks.